Alright, we have a unit we're going to switch from AC to DC. So you loosen up the two screws here. We'll go ahead and shut one off and pull it out. These are hot swappable. As you can see, it's still running. We take the DC one. We've already got it wired up. Slide it in. Just tighten up these screws. I'll just do them hand tight for now. Turn the DC plant on. We're still running. Go ahead and remove the second one. And you see it's on DC now. Now you can remove the second one. Loose. Then you can slide your second one in. Tighten it up. Hook up your second one. You're up and running, never been down. That's as easy as it is.